What is the biggest mistake with совесть, which many people do, and they do not notice that they do terrible things? When a human does evil, then soul begins to hurt and cry, and then a human does a mistake by which happens self-lie. Instead of not to do that evil or fix evil things which were already done, human begins to fight not with causes but with signals. And a human does self-lie, and here what he does. Human, in order to cover his evil things that he done and the pain of soul, human begins to change his focus from himself to others who do evil. And here's an example. A human is going to already done evil things, but instead of realize and not to do evil things anymore, he begins to say excuses, and here a couple of common excuses. But that person is even worse than me. All do that. Somebody did to me evil, why I cannot do the same evil? My cash does not allow that. And other crap. And here was an example by which a human does self-lie in order to trick or silence the pain of soul, and he fights with the messenger instead of fighting with causes and realize and fix problems. It will not lead to anything good, and by the fact, unfortunately, many people do this terrible mistake, and as a result we are living in such terrible world where many people do not want to see their own mistakes or bad things, but just see only others' mistakes and bad things, and shift responsibility with each other. For example, many of us might often criticize politics, many of which are full in corruption, many of them lie, many of them are hypocrites, or we do not like that we have criminal activity in our country, or there are a lot of low quality or even dangerous products sold. But here's a problem with that. We do not want to see our own bad things, but we just see others' bad things. And we do not want to take a look at ourselves first. We can ask a question to ourselves. Do we really do everything by совесть? Do we say only truth? Do we never steal? Do we never lie? So I think we must begin at first from ourselves, and after that try to help others, because if we will be morally ugly or soul ugly, what we can teach others? So therefore you must immediately stop and start to think very good and analyze everything what you do, and keep an eye on yourself first, and try to do everything by совесть, by yourself first, and after that look at others and try to help them if you want.